Have you ever looked at your savings account and wondered why it's earning so little? Maybe you've heard about investments, but the jargon sounds like a foreign language. Let's talk about a simple way to potentially grow your money, the Nutmeg cash rate. Imagine your money as a tree. You plant the seed, your savings, you water it, add more savings, and you hope it grows, earns interest. But what if the soil, your bank, isn't very fertile? That's where platforms like Nutmeg come in. They offer a digital garden where your money can potentially flourish. Now, let's break down what the Nutmeg cash rate actually is. What is the Nutmeg cash rate? In essence, the Nutmeg cash rate is the interest rate you earn on your cash savings when you invest through Nutmeg. It's like the bank interest, but often, it's significantly higher. Why is this important? Because every penny counts, especially in today's economic climate. With traditional savings accounts, your money is barely outpacing inflation. But with a decent cash rate, you could be making your money work harder for you. How does it work? You might wonder how Nutmeg can offer such a competitive cash rate. Well, it's a bit like a cooperative. Many people pool their money together, and Nutmeg invests this larger sum in a variety of places. This diversification helps to manage risk and potentially generate higher returns. A portion of these returns is then shared with the investors, which is where your cash rate comes in. It's a win-win situation. Your money is working harder, and Nutmeg is managing your investments. Key factors affecting the Nutmeg cash rate. Now, the cash rate isn't fixed. It can fluctuate based on a few factors. Economic conditions. If the overall economy is doing well, interest rates tend to rise. This can positively impact your cash rate. Market performance. How well Nutmeg's investments are performing can also influence the cash rate. Competition. Nutmeg needs to stay competitive with other investment platforms, so the cash rate can adjust accordingly. Is Nutmeg cash rate right for you? Before you dive in, it's essential to consider if Nutmeg is the right fit. Here are some questions to ask yourself. Are you looking for a low-risk investment option? Do you have a medium to long-term investment horizon? Are you comfortable with the idea of your money being invested in a variety of assets? If you answered yes to these questions, then Nutmeg's cash rate could be a viable option. However, it's always wise to diversify your investments and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Important considerations. While the Nutmeg cash rate can be attractive, it's crucial to understand that past performance is not indicative of future results. Investments involve risks, and the value of your investment can go down as well as up. Also, remember that Nutmeg charges fees for its services. These fees can impact your overall returns. It's essential to weigh the potential benefits against the costs. The Nutmeg cash rate can be a powerful tool for growing your savings. By understanding how it works and considering your financial goals, you can make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. Remember, financial planning is a personal journey. What works for one person might not work for another. Always do your research and seek professional advice when needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.